Hello students, today we are going to discuss about relation between torque and angular momentum in module number 6. In previous chapter we will discuss about relation between kinetic energy and moment of inertia, means kinetic energy. Next we will discuss about relation between angular momentum and moment of inertia. In this lecture we will discuss about relation between torque and angular momentum. Now let us consider rigid body consisting of n particles having masses m1, m2, m3, m1, m2, m3, mn, m3, mn situated at a distances r1, r2, r3 from the axis of rotation x-axis. A1, A2, A3, An with a linear accelerations of particles having masses m1, m2, m3, mn from the axis of rotation x-axis. A1, A2, A3, An with a linear acceleration of the particles and alpha with the from axis of rotation x-axis and alpha with a linear angular acceleration. Alpha with the angular acceleration of rigid body. Force acting on first particles. Force acting on first particle. First particle. According to Newton's second law, F1 force acting on first particle, that is equal to product of mass and acceleration produced in the body. M1 A. F1 that is equal to M1 A1. A1 that is equal to A1 that is equal to R1 alpha. M1 R1 alpha. Torque acting on first particle. Torque acting on first particle. Torque that is equal to R1 into F1. Therefore, from first and second, torque R1 into M1 R1 alpha. Similarly, torque acting on second particle. Torque acting on nth particle, Mn Rn square alpha. Total torque acting on the rigid body. Torque that is equal to torque 1 plus torque 2 plus torque. Therefore, alpha taking out common, M1 R1 square plus M2 R2 square plus Mn Rn square. This is moment of inertia. So torque is equal to alpha into I. Torque acting on rigid body. Next one is center of gravity. Center of gravity of a body is defined as sum of gravitational forces acting on a body that is equal to zero, that is called center of gravity. Or we can say that if a body, this body balanced on the tip of sharp pencil, we will get center of gravity at that particular point. Now this is a body. Taking out hands and passing through the vertical plane from this point, we will get intersection of these verticals, that is center of gravity. Or center of gravity of this body, vector sum of all the weight acting on the body, that is equal to 0. Vector sum of all the weights acting on the body, that is 0, that is called center of gravity. So center of gravity, first particle, second particle, तो यह MIGI multiplied by RI, that is equal to 0. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.